$1 million sounds pretty darn good. It's financial freedom. It's options. It's that pile of cash Scrooge McDuck dreams about, minus the questionable hygiene. But here's the thing most self-proclaimed gurus won't tell you. Becoming a millionaire with literally nothing is a long shot. However, that doesn't mean it's impossible. Look, becoming a millionaire starts in your head, not your bank account. We're talking about ditching the scarcity mentality and embracing abundance. This doesn't mean visualizing piles of cash raining from the sky, although wouldn't that be nice? Instead, it's about believing in your ability to create wealth. It's about viewing money as a tool, not a master. This positive shift will fuel your motivation and keep you going when the road gets bumpy. In today's world, valuable skills are the new gold. The more you can offer, the more you can earn. So identify your strengths and weaknesses. Are you a whiz with social media? Brush up on marketing and build a freelance clientele. Do you have a knack for fixing things? Sharpen your handyman skills and offer repair services on the side. There are tons of free online resources to learn new skills or refine existing ones. Remember, knowledge is power. And in this case, it's also your key to unlocking financial freedom. Let's be honest, there's no substitute for hard work. Here's the good news. Hustling doesn't have to be soul-crushing. Find a side hustle that complements your interests and skills. Maybe you love baking and can sell your creations at a local farmer's market. Perhaps you're a whiz with graphic design and can offer freelance services on platforms like Fiverr. The key is to be creative, consistent, and most importantly, provide real value. Okay, so you're bringing in some extra cash. Fantastic. But if you leak money like a faulty faucet, reaching millionaire status will be a distant dream. Here's where budgeting comes in. Track your income and expenses ruthlessly. Every penny counts, folks. Identify areas where you can cut back. The daily latte habit might have to go. Once you have a handle on your spending, prioritize saving. Even if it's just a small amount each week, pay yourself first. Let's talk about compound interest. Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world for a reason. It's basically your money making more money on autopilot. Here's the beauty. You don't need a ton of cash to leverage it. Start small, invest consistently, and let compound interest work its magic over time. The sharing economy is booming, and you can use it to your advantage. Do you have a spare room? Rent it out on Airbnb. Got a car that sits idle most of the time? Look into car sharing services like Turo. By leveraging what you already own, you can generate additional income streams without a significant investment. There you have it, folks, the roadmap to becoming a millionaire, even when you're starting from scratch. Remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be setbacks, there will be moments of doubt. But with the right mindset, consistent effort, and smart financial strategies, you can rewrite your financial future. So ditch the get-rich-quick schemes, believe in yourself, and start building your wealth today. Who knows, maybe one day you'll be swimming in Scrooge McDuck money, with significantly better hygiene, of course. Want to take a deep dive into specific investment strategies and budgeting tips? Hit that subscribe button and smash the notification bell so you never miss a video. And if you found this valuable, leave a thumbs up and share it with a friend who might need a financial wake-up call.